You guys didn't tell me that it was gonna be very expensive to own a pet. So I had to find out the hard way today. For some reasons, I don't know, I've been feeling that I need somebody, a pet. Since singleness have taken over, a pet, at least somebody that I can take care of, that understands me, that I won't be spending money on like that. So I decided, you know what, let me get a pet fish. Guys, tell me why I went to a pet shop today, and these people, what they told me today, guys, it made me rethink, do I really need that pet? Guys, so here's what happened. I went there to the pet shop. I'm like, okay, I haven't owned a pet before, but I would like to start off with a fish, because I've been doing some research and they say goldfish are the best. If you are going into owning a pet fish, that goldfish are the best starter. So I'm like, okay, what are the necessary things that I need to do to own this fish? What do I need to buy and all sort of that? So they are telling me, okay, do I have any something like a bowl that I can use like an aquarium? I'm like, the one I have is very tiny. They're like, no, goldfish need bigger aquarium. I'm like, okay, how much would that cost me? The lady was like, okay, we're doing this promo where we give you a starter pack, the gravel, the design, everything that you need is 400, 500. And I'm like, okay. That aside, what else do I need? She's like, okay, you know, before you bring the fish into the tank, you need to let the tank sit for a day to 1 week. And I'm like, okay, how do I do that? She's like, okay, there's this thing that I'm gonna give you. She brought it out. One's tiny something like this, 50 rand. The other one is like in powder form, 50 rand. So two of them is already 100 rand. She's like, okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill the tank, you're gonna add these two, you're gonna let it sit, and then pour it away. Repeat that same process for at least 1 week before you introduce the fish into the tank. That purifies the tank, that makes the tank that builds kind of a natural habitat for the fish, because you know, fish inside the water and then you just transferring them inside a pure water that is not their natural habitat. So you have to make that aquarium more of their natural habitat. I'm like, okay, what next? This lady took me to all the fishes. Guys, I saw beautiful fishes there. And she's like, okay, you have to select which of the fish you want. Guys, I went there. I'm seeing tiny fish as tiny as this, tiny, like something like this. 400 rand, some are 4 for 200, some are 4 for 150. And I'm looking at these fishes and I'm like, okay, at least if I get 4, that means 25 rand per one. I'm like, okay, that's something that I can work with. Guys, tell me why fishes are not expensive. To own the actual fish, that is what is expensive. The feeding, the aquarium, the changing of water, the pH, something that you have to add in the water just to make the water livable for the fish. Guys, after looking at all that stuff, I'm like, you know what, I think I'm still gonna be single now, and I think owning a pet is not something that I'm cut out for. But in the future, I might still go back there and get myself a goldfish. Or maybe if I feel like, okay, I deserve a goldfish, I'll go get myself a goldfish. But for now, owning a pet is very, very expensive. And you guys made me find out the hard way.